Bum, bum, ba-dum. Hello, girls. I'm Tim Bisso. I'm from French Caribbean. I'm 19 years old. And yeah, I'm Tim. I'm in Bali. I had the chance to compete in the Padang Cup. Very stoked. A lot of pressure on me because I don't usually do a lot of barrels. Like I'm surfing training contest for the QS, so small waves. So I was very happy to surf big waves, and just the wave of Padang is just so perfect.
I'm a hard luck man. I do the best that I can. I'm a hard luck man.
I've been competing in the QS since 2 years now, like high performance. My best result was in Azores last year. I finished 82 last year, and so I've been able to compete for the rest of the year, and I've been competing in Hawaii, doing the prime in Hawaii. That was amazing. Yeah, I won the trials at Bells. It was just super sick for me, like a lot of pressure because you're surfing against the world best surfers, and I compete against Kelly. I had the chance somehow to compete against the 11 world champ, and he was tough. The waves were big, and I got the highest wave of the heat. Unfortunately, didn't back up my score high enough, so. Bali is just amazing. There is a lot of party, but instead of this, we're just surfing the best wave, and it's just cool to be around the boys, Mason, and all the crew is amazing. Just having the best time ever.
So let's stand here, our glasses.